is there a statute of limitations on child support? And when you get in arrears, understand there's a interest rate on that, and how is that set? And let's see, how does that apply? I mean, as far as that goes.
All right, Jordan, hang with us 1 second. Don't hang up yet, because I want to be clear. When you say statute of limitations, do you mean by time or your child reaches a certain age? Which do you mean?
That means if you get into arrears, is there a statute of limitations on that part of it?
All right, Jordan, thank you.
Well, the age that child support ends is 19.
In Alabama, that's the age no matter
That's
what.
it. When you turn 19, you know, you're no longer subject to having child support on that child. But a child support order is a judgment each month. So each month it rolls around, that is a judgment. And it survives beyond the child turning 19. Now, generally, under Alabama law, a judgment is good for 10 years, and then you can renew it for another 10 years. And then he asked about interest. Interest accrues on the judgment under Alabama law at 7.5%. So it starts snowballing.
That's
you
pretty
know.
high.
So, absolutely. So if someone has a situation where they can't make their child support payments, they need to get back in court quickly and ask for a modification and show what their income is. Now, if they sit back and they've got a high child support order and it's not consistent with their current income, you know, they'll get behind and it'll just snowball on them.
Chris, what about, it used to be the law that, let's say you have a child that has special needs. Would that, your duty to support go past 19?
It can. They can still be a dependent, and, you know,
Yeah.
the court can require the parents to continue to provide some support.